Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and open zero balance account in Canara Bank. First, open the App Store on your phone and search for the Canara Bank mobile app, usually called as Canara AI1, and download the official one. Once the app is installed, open and tap on Open Saving Account or New Account. Next, choose the option for a zero balance saving account. This type of account doesn't require your minimum or to maintain a minimum balance. Now enter your mobile number and tap next. You will receive a OTP on your phone number. Enter the OTP to verify your number. After that, enter your Aadhaar card number and PAN details. Make sure all the information is correct. Next, you will complete a video KYC process. During this process, you will show your face and your ID to a bank representative in a short video call. This confirms your identity. After KYC is complete, you will receive or set your login password and transaction PIN. Review all your information carefully and then tap submit. Once your application is approved, your zero balance account will be opened and your account number will be shown in the app. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.